全部殺せば俺たち自由になれるのか。
So this past year, I got to travel to New York for the first time, and it was really cool because I am a person that really loves to travel and I really love to experience things for the first time. But weirdly enough, like whenever I travel somewhere, it kind of scratches the itch already, and I'm not really pressed to go back. But New York was a little bit different. So the thing I noticed directly off the bat about New York City is that no matter which borough or whichever train stop we were getting off of, there was like so many different sights to see, and everything is so photogenic, and it was just a joy to go around and explore the city. It almost asks you to go out and explore the city every day, and it's always changing, which is really, really cool. And not to mention, the food is delicious too. So all that to say, I really enjoyed my time in New York, and for the first time in a long time, I would go back and visit.